it maybe with a little bit more speed, I think.
I don't know what you're talking about. That's not sketch at all.
Oh, the Denver Biscuit Company. That's where Jeff and I ate last time.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah,
I just want eggs. I've got to make decisions now before I face temptation, and I'm knee deep in
It'll
it.
smell delicious.
We can get whatever we want.
This one looks kind of little.
This is a new jam for you.
Oh yeah, man. It's Colorado, bro. We're out west. See, these are the best, man, when you have a family, because you can cook, they do all your breakfasts and lunches.
Yeah.
You got your washer and dryer for the week.
That'd be great for a ski trip because you get so like nasty.
I know.
Maybe this is just for us.
Okay.
We're ready.
We're ready.
When 88 goes hiking, we bring the gear.
We bring the gear. This is a 2-camera shoot right here.
Right.
Oh no, that's not good. Yeah, I bet we could get pulled over for that.
Let's try to find a different way back.
You know what, I'm supposed to be up on that road. This is like a locals hike. Like, it's not a real publicized, real obvious one. We're 0.41 miles in and he's got rocks in his shoes.
Cool. All right, we're
Good? So if we kept going that way, that's the Game Creek Trail. That just follows the creek. And then this is the way to Cougar Ridge. All the locals call it Lions Rock. So don't listen to the signs. The railroad tracks.
Okay, see what you can do going back. So by those houses, there's a road that goes over the railroad tracks.
Yeah, for some reason I don't feel like it's that easy. It's probably a new.
Probably they just put it in.
It's new development. The city's been working. You know what? Now that you say that, I think that's what it was. I think it was shut down because of construction. Because I remember when her. No, no.
That's so hard.
I'm seriously not like making stuff up. I want to say there's 4 of these switchbacks left. Up, back, and then we're there. I could be off by 2 to 4, though. This is.
Is that where the trail goes?
No, the trail goes here, I think. Or are you just going around the tree?
Yeah. I make my own way.
Oh.
That's what happens, bro. Right there. Dizzy.
You dizzy?
Oh, I got dizzy for a minute. Wow.
Yeah.
It's pretty intense, huh?
Super intense.
Yeah.
Awesome. You can say that again.
well deserved.
Yeah.
Completely.
Good pick on dinner spots. This is amazing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man. It's not only a great dinner spot, but you get free M&Ms as well. So it's pretty solid.
Have a wonderful weekend. Happy holiday.
Thank you.
Happy holiday.
Is it on?
Memorial Day weekend.
Wow, that's a lot of people.
It's A-list, yo. Good trip. Thanks, guys. Rocked it out. Did awesome. Signing off from Denver. Headed home. Holiday weekend. Gonna chill, rest. See ya.
David, tell me great kid, how are you?
Good. How are you?
2 double cheeseburgers.
2 double cheeseburgers?
Yep, and a small chocolate milkshake.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm like super tempted to get those mac and Cheetos.
There you go, man. Thank you.